Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking Hunan Stir Fry Pork or Hunan Xiao Chao. So let's start cooking. Now we're prepared to put the dish together. I'm using a La Gourmet 30 cm nitridine wok. Heat it up. Add in a good amount of oil. Swirl the oil around. Make sure that your wok or pan is hot. Add in 300 grams of pork. I'm using pork shoulder over here, sliced thinly like this. Traditionally, they use pork belly, but we are using pork shoulder over here because I don't want this dish to be too fatty. Spread them out. You need to cook this about 80% done. Brown them a little bit. Extract the oil out from them. I would suggest you use either pork shoulder or pork belly for this. Try not to use lean meat because you need a little bit of fat in order for the dish to be tasting really good. I'm using medium heat. We don't want to see any redness on the pork and we want to render the fats out so that this dish will be more fragrant. I'm using medium heat throughout this dish itself. Now normally we'll use high heat for this dish, but it all depends on your wok or pan. If you are using a non-stick, please don't use high heat, you will spoil your pan very easily. Now you can see there's some liquid that's coming out from here. We don't want the liquid because we need to fry this really dry so that it will taste really good. I did not marinate the pork because later the sauces that we'll be using, they are pretty savory already. Okay, when the color is sort of like a light brown color like this, we'll add in our garlic. 3 cloves of garlic chop, put them in. Mix them up well. Now we'll add in the rest of the ingredients when we can smell the beautiful fragrance coming from the garlic. I can smell the garlic now, so I'm going to put in my seasoning. Add in 1 tablespoon of black bean paste, 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of Chinese rice wine. Now if you don't take wine, you can forgo that, it's fine, no problem. Mix them up well. Now we're adding 80 milliliters of water because we want some sauce. Let it come to a more vigorous boil. Right, when it's boiling like this, just give it a good mix. We're going to add in a little bit of cornstarch solution just to thicken the sauce up. Make sure that the sauce can stick onto the meat. Wow, it's smelling so good now. Final step, we'll add in half a green capsicum as well as half a red capsicum. Now you can always use chilli if you want to, but we're trying to make this dish more family friendly or child friendly. Look at how beautiful this dish is. Alright, time for our lunch. And now the dish is done, let's have a taste. Oh, super fragrant. Oh. Very savory. I can taste the capsicum. Of course, if you like it spicier, you can use chili instead of capsicum. The black bean paste, perfect. This is very good to go with steamed rice. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. And now it's your turn to cook. See you. Bye bye.